Yeah. So where are we going?
Movie OOD.
Today we're gonna visit
MOD.
and
The
check.
new open cinema in Daharan Mall.
Check it only.
Yeah, we check it only but we will not watch because we don't have money yet.
It's so
Yeah.
expensive.
Yeah, it's so expensive. We will just watch in Netflix only and in YouTube.
Yeah. Anyway,
Yeah.
the movie naman available there is not new. So
Yeah.
maybe you already watched it, no? We're just going to check the place.
Yeah, we'll just check.
Dami pang reason, wala lang po kaming pera kaya hindi kami makakasine, no?
Yeah, ganun talaga. Sa Pilipinas na lang tayo.
Dapat yung sino masyado.
Tsaka, it's not
Kasi-
safe.
Yeah, it's still COVID.
Diyos lang
We're
po
still
yun.
in the
Wala
middle
talaga
of pandemic. That's why we will not watch also. Even if we have money, we will not watch because it's not safe. Right, Mario?
Yeah.
Yeah. So what did you do today in your online class?
I learned about driving kids.
What rhyming words you study?
Yeah.
Give me some example of rhyming words na.
Rhyming words.
Yeah, rhyming words.
Rhyming words means the same ending sound.
Very
good. Oh.
Example, what is it?
Bal, kal, tal.
Ano daw po?
What is it?
Bal, kal, tal.
Yeah,
Yun.
very
They are
good.
ending with
About the mark.
L.
Mike and Dark.
Mark and
Dark,
Very
dark,
good.
dark.
Daddy is so dark. And his
Yeah.
name is Mark. So Mark,
That
dark.
is
That's
so
correct.
dark.
What else did you
What
learn?
else? What
Aside
else?
from rhyming?
In the math, what did you study in the math? You study what? The number word, no?
And then we're so happy that we're doing the biggest page.
And also, I want to ask Maril, what is your favorite time in your class?
Snack time.
Snack time!
Snack time! Favorite ko din yung nag-aaral ako eh. That's
Why
my
every kids,
favorite.
why every kid's
Yeah.
favorite is snack
Snack
time?
time, recess time, okay, lunch time.
Yun yung pinaka-most awaited time.
Yeah. So,
Yes, so,
we're gonna update you later again kapag nasa Daran Mall na kami. Okay, see you guys later. Picture also. Hi guys, we're here na sa Daran Mall movie. And that is Maril over there. Yeah, movie. Ayan, na ilaw na oh, sa ganda. Na in Daran Mall, gate 3. Sa kayo, ano movie? Ayan sa likod, yung movie, cinema. But we will not watch, just watch check out. And this Maril. So what did you learn there? Guys, we're so excited. Kapag tapos na yung lahat, nanonood kami. Inshallah. Because we're still in the middle of pandemic, that's why we will not watch. Prayer time.
it's prayer time.
We have to wait. As you can see here guys, ito yung favorite kong Mikyaj ba?
Mikiyaji. Mikiyaji.
Okay. One of my favorite brand ng cosmetics. Ayun lang, kasi ito hindi ko favorite, mahal yun eh. Ano ibang bili dyan? Eh, dito ako favorite din na sinabon. Malinis lang kasi lagi yan sinasabon guys. And also, one more, yung tama favorite ko din yan. Favorite yan. Yeah, and that's for the baby. Mario. So thank you you so much for my beautiful videographer today. I already have videographer.
Oho.
Finally, oh my God, nakapag-rent ako for one day. Nakapag-rent ako ng videographer for one day.
It's so mahal the charge.
So, ang daming tao. Maraming tao. Hindi mo sila kita ka, no? Natakot kasi ako eh, baka alam mo.
Public to, it's okay.
Ah, okay. Second movie, ay second theater, cinema theater dito sa
Eastern.
Eastern. Kasi yung unang-una sa Riyadh yun.
Yes.
Dati, ano to, di ba ko dati? R&B.
R&B.
Pilihan ng mga damit. Kung anong sapatos.
Yes. May basics din dun ka dati, no? Basic.
Oo.
So let's see how many cinemas. How many cinemas? How many cinemas?
We're here na.
Red carpet? So 10 cinemas pala, no? How many cinemas? 10. Nothing. It's like a bear, no? Wait a minute. Hindi ko rin ma...
Let's take a picture of the toy and
Yung last na nood ko na sine, syempre yung pumunta pa ako ng Dubai para manood lang ng sine. Oh my God!
So now you're not going to Dubai just to watch movie, no?
I will not go to Dubai na to watch movie. Meron na kami rito malapit lang sa bahay namin. Pwede namin nakaroon.
Walking
Ang
distance!
distance din ako mag-Dubai. Grabe, laki ng ginastos ko para manood lang ng sine sa Dubai. Diba? Ganyan ako ka-arte mga panahon na yun.
Wow, so rich!
I'm so rich that time, you know. I ride an airplane pa just to watch a scene.
that's the water.
That's the water.
Yeah, this is the boat. Oh, looks like that.
Sige tayo dito. Kasi hindi pa tayo manonood ng scene.
Ooh. Ganda.
Okay na lang sila, oh. Yeah, Monster Academy. Ano ba? Ganyan, ani? Ant value. Hindi? Ant value. The nest. Ayan, nandun doon sa taas. Nandun.
Look at that.
Jackie Chan pa, ha?
Asan si Jacob? Ay,
Vanguard.
Vanguard.
Yes.
Ayan yung mga movie.
Sorry, I can see the boat.
Yes.
I press it.
Hi, vlog. Hi, vlog.
No touching! May switch dito.
15 ba? 50? Ano 15?
Tara, libo tayo doon.
Baka ganun yan.
Baka, paikot siya.
So, ayun guys, mabili ba muna kayo? Marami kami yan.
Let's buy it.
Hindi yata tayo pwede pumasok dyan, no?
Ay, hindi tayo bibili. Ay, hindi tayo mag-ano.
Oo.
Bibili ng ticket. Sayang.
Why? You can buy it.
Oo nga, paikot siya na gano'n. Try nga natin.
You have to buy a ticket. So ayun guys, hindi kami pinayagang pumasok sa loob kasi hindi daw kayo manonood. Hanggang dito lang kami sa labas.
So wala kang ticket, panlabas ka lang?
Kaya dahil wala kaming ticket, panlabas lang kami.
Tingin tayo doon sa Gaydan.
Hello guys, burger like the red carpet. Second thing now, here is Saudi Arabia. Ayun. Ito naman. Hindi ka pa nakikita sa camera.
Hindi. Camera shy tayo.
Camera siya. Aril. Ha? Saan gilid? Maril! Ten. Ito yung bilihan ng ticket.
Oo, sa queue nila.
Paano to? Paano bibili rito ng ticket? Paano siya?
Supposed to be.
Social distance.
Oo, kaso wala pa siya, hindi pa yata ready.
Hindi pa ba rin? So, dito ka raw bibili na?
Wow, ganda ng screen nila, ang big.
And then yung time, ha?
In fairness, ang ganda, no? So, may big screen sila dyan, no? Yan, online. Yes. List of movies available, no?
List of movies available and then ayun. Nagugutom na ako. Baka kayo siya wala pa tayong panahon dahil so guys, ayun lang muna yung update sa bagong sinehan dito sa Saudi Arabia.
Pag may pambili na kami ng ticket, we will come back.
Kung pambili na kami ng ticket, update ulit namin kayo guys. So, ayun lang. Thank you so much.
Bye!
My beautiful videographer over there. But movie, we're not gonna watch. Wala pa kaming budget. Charot! Hindi kasi safe. Ayun. Hindi kami safe dahil hindi lang sa walang budget. Hindi kasi safe. Hindi kasi safe manood. Kaya, ayun. Hanggang check lang muna kami. Walking distance lang to from my house. So, ayun guys. Ayan. Check. Ayan. Saya-saya magala dito. Saya-saya. Cinema 101. Here's the vlog na. Maril.
After vlogging the movie,
Yeah, after we vlog, kakain naman kami rito sa food court.
food court naman.
It's KFC and McDonald's for Maril. And that's Kuya Mark. Pakita ka naman sa camera, Kuya Mark. Shy type ka na naman eh. My talents. Oh my God.
Talent piece is
My talents. Your talents, please.
expensive.
Yeah. Oh, Maril, oh.
Wow, there's three fish.
Yeah, meron ditong yellow. Ayan na, ice skating. Ice. Did you know him ba, Maril? Hello daw. Hello guys. Ayan.
Wow!
Yeah. Ice skating. Oh.
Ano, kumain ka?
Kami guys, kakain muna kami.
Say hello to my minion.
Hi Minion. Thank you so much. Sakot ang singaw ko?
I get a ball.
Yeah. Go, you talk to my camera.
I got the to show you my minion, and he can actually be in this ball.
Very good ka talaga. Ayun, hindi tayo binigyan nito. Forgot daw.
Forget it. Ano ba?
Chocolate, ano, viewer.
We're gonna show them how I close it.
Ano ba? Alcohol? Alcohol?
Ta-da! He's inside. Can I find him? Hey,
You're grounded.
here.
You have cutics.
Ah, you have cutie.
Show your nail polish.
Alin?
Ooh.
Adulas.
Ouchie. He doesn't know how to
Why? It's
skate.
delicate.
Maybe he don't know how to do it yet. They're helping.
Yeah.
Which is good.
Where's the last one? Remember there's
Pepsi
four?
pala. SP.
Diet.
They can turn.
Diet ka? Walang diet.
I mean,
yung
look, they
mark
can
mo.
turn. Watch.
Parang ikaw, lagi si diet.
Waiting.
Yeah.
Want some fry banana? Banana
You eat
day.
your banana kanina?
Eat.
I don't know what the, why I don't know that you just or give me banana.
Eh, fries ate siya, oh.
What did you eat kanina? Ha?
You have apple ba kanina?
Wala ba?
But she ate apple.
Oh?
Yeah, during the recess time. Right?
No, that it's sunbite.
Asan bites ba yun? I thought,
Mommy, he can do open it like this and he can look at this banana wants some fries. Okay,
Yeah, you talk to the camera.
banana. I want
Bagong
banana.
kapehan din sa baba namin. Ang daming proseso.
Yummy
May
banana.
labat ng beans. Kasi sa nilalagay sa makto. Sa ipang UP pa. UP pa ng gano'n. Tapos may
I'll show
isa
you
pang
banana.
nilalagay. Ang haba ng proseso.
Hindi ka. Tatlo.
nahalit. Lalaki yan.
Ay, lagi ako may tawas.
Wala ka bang
Bye-bye.
wax?
Ah, meron.
Bye-bye.
Oo, kasi lalaki yan.
Tita.
Mamaya sa bahay. Babay na.
Bye-bye.
Babay na raw, guys.
Don't forget to
Don't forget to like, share, and
Subscribe to
hit
our
the bell
channel.
button.
hit
And
the bell button.
subscribe.
Don't forget.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, guys. Bye. Kakain muna kami. Guys, sala nga pala. Nandito kami ngayon sa paparotti. Ayan. Ayan ang paparotti. Paparotti. Kaso sala. So, what are we gonna order?
The coffee buns. The Happy Lair coffee buns.
Yeah. Ganda ng kanilang, ano ba tawag dyan? Design. Ganda-ganda ng kanilang counter. Pakita niya ba? Alin?
Coffee buns.
Ayun yung kanilang tasa. Ang laki, oh. Kita niya ba yun? Ang laki ng kanilang tasa.
Magandang taniman yan eh.
Pananim. Charot.
Gold pa oh.
Paparazzi. Buns.
Tataniman ng plant.
Hiramin natin sa kanila.
Hiram naman kami yan.
Ayan yung dito sa TV yung kanilang paggawa ng buns. Yun o. Ganarn. Masala pa. Mag-iintay pa kami. Ng after sala para makapag-order na kami. Sink your teeth into it. Yan. Paparotti. Ayan, kanilang counter. Where are we?
We're at Paparotti now. Like,
Order.
I want this one.
Yeah.
Hot chocolate.
Here's the hot chocolate. It's my hot chocolate.
It's my hot chocolate.
Water for Mario.
Mine.
Cappuccino. Yeah.
Pork mash.
Thank you so much.
Ay, banana.
Thank you, thank
Which one's
you.
for banana? Nothing for banana.
Yeah, ayan ang kanila. Ganda, no?
How about you make a vlogger?
Oh,
Ito talaga na.
Yummy!
Ninang muna talaga yung bell.
Thank